Hello guys and welcome back to our channel The Voyages, and now we are waiting to board our 7th country, and this is one of our dream country and we are going to Japan. Stay tuned to see all the travel and let me know guys like if you want to know how we have applied the visa and all. So yeah, currently we are traveling. Hey guys, so finally we have landed in Tokyo Haneda Airport, and let me show you how the airport is. So we just came from there. So behind that there is immigration and we have taken our luggage. Before you come here, make sure you complete the Visit Japan webpage fillings, because once you do that, you will get a QR, and depending on that, your immigration process will be very smooth. You don't have to show any papers, and also it have saved a lot of time for us. So currently we are going to take the welcome Suica card, and let me show you how we take. When you come out, instead of going straight, you can come to the right and you can find the ATM just nearby. So if you have a 04x card, so there will be no commission. Like we have withdrawn 50,000 yen, and for us 220 yen they have taken as a transaction fee, so it's quite less. So now we are going to take the welcome Suica, which is in near the Tokyo monorail station. So we have to walk from here. So we have to go straight from here to there. So let's go and take welcome Suica. So while going on the way to monorail, we have seen like if we go out, we can't come inside again. So we don't know any shop is there open or not. So we have just bought an apple pie and a chocolate cake and a matcha drink, which costed 550 yen, and it's good. We'll have a taste and then I'll let you know guys how it is. We're just waiting here. There's a free waiting area just outside wherever you come out of the airport. So you can wait here as long as you want. So if you want more information regarding where you want to go and what kind of prefectures you will be traveling, just outside you come out, you will have a tourist information center here where you can get all the books. If you are related, like it will have all the information, like the Tokyo monorail information. This book is for Tokyo. This book is for Tokyo Travel Guide, and this one is for Mount Fuji Guide. So there you have all the information like what you wanted. Even you can follow our videos also. So we are waiting for the first train to start. So from here we have to go to Asakusa. So I will be showing you guys how we are going. Okay, so we have taken the shower facility in Haneda Airport Terminal 3. So let me show you how it is inside. So they will give you a room. You have to pay the payment like 1500 for 30 minutes, and they will give you the room key and they will say which room to go. So mine is V. So let me open they give. It is just nearby. You have to come out and take right. If you go straight, you will get them. This is the shower room. This is a shower room. Just they gave a hanger. You have a wash area, and they also gave towel. They gave tissues. They gave a hair dryer, and I don't think they gave body wash. I can't. Oh, they gave body wash also. They gave shampoo also. You have this all the shower room. This is my bag. Let's get shower and go for the next. I just freshed up and came outside, and shower room is absolutely amazing. For us, it's a good trade-off because we reached Haneda at 1 a.m. So for us, we don't have to pay for hotel. So for us, 1500 yen is a good trade-off. Let me show you where we found the shower rooms. So that's where we came out from. This is the area which we stayed for some time, and then straight to that you will have some baggage delivery service, SIM and all. Just beside that you have shower rooms. So you just have to enter, and then in the reception you just have to pay, and then they will give you the time slot for half an hour. You just have to come out in that room. If you don't come out by that time, you just have to pay 750 and extra for that, for every 15 minutes. So there are few informations which I have missed to tell you guys. Like one is SIM card. So what we did is we have bought one Geo international SIM, like 1500 rupees it have costed, and it's like they give 6 GB of data. That one we have because I want to have the calls of Indian calls. So I have bought like 100 minutes of calls, and I can get like 6 GB of data. That is one package we have bought. And for the Japanese SIM, we have bought a eSIM from trip.com. It is very easy to set up. It's like they will send you the QR, or you can directly install from the app itself. So we got it in offer and it have costed around 5 to 600 rupees in Indian rupees. So that was also very good. We are getting the signal. We have installed it in iPhone, so we are getting the 5G data and the speed is pretty good. We still don't know how it is inside the city because we are still inside the airport sitting. So let's go out and explore that. And what else? So the day one, our plan is to go to Nikko. So now the time is 4:20, but the trains will start from 5 o'clock. What we did for that is we have booked a train from Asakusa, like a limited express train from Asakusa, which will start at 7 o'clock. So from here we have to go to Asakusa by 6 o'clock, and what we are planning is we have this check-in baggage, so we will keep this one in coin locker and we will be traveling with whatever the hand baggage which we bought. So yeah, that's the plan. So she went for bath and I'm waiting for her. I'm planning everything day by day, what we are going to do, and also if you guys want all this information, just let me know in the comments. If I can make some detailed PDF, I can share with you guys. So yeah, after the shower we came to buy the the welcome Suica card. So here you can get it. So you have clear instructions like you have to follow the line and they will open the shutter. This is monorail station of Haneda Airport. You will get the welcome Suica ticket here, and after taking that, if you want to go to Tokyo Center, then you have to go take that line, KQ line, which will directly go to Asakusa. So our next train is from Asakusa at 7 o'clock. So we will be taking that train and going it. But for us, welcome Suica is very important because it's very easy to tap and go if you have the Suica card. So first we will take here and then we will go there. So these are the vending machines for all the tickets and Suica. So we have to take welcome Suica. So we have two machines here, I can see. Welcome Suica we will take it. Where is it? Purchase new Suica. Blank Suica. 5,000. 10,000 it will give the change. They will give 10,000. They will give the change. Enter the 10,000. So we have answered 10,000 and we will get 5,000 back. Take it. That's it. Guys, make sure you go first because look at the people here. So if you want to catch the first train, you definitely have to be there just 10 to 15 minutes before, because if you come late, you will definitely miss it. So now they are opening the KQ line. So from here we will be going to Asakusa. Let's go. This is our train. So we have reached the Asakusa station. So from here we are going to Tobu Nikko. So we have to go to Asakusa Tobu Nikko station. So when you come out, you will find the signs like this, Tobu Skytree line. They will be written like which exit you need to take. You have to go that side and you have to go there. So the first thing now is to find the coin lockers, because we have this luggage which we are planning to keep it inside, because we can't travel with this big luggage. You have to check in, select the box, open it. Will it fit?
Please start checking procedures, following the instruction on the screen.
Okay, we have selected 1011. Which one you want to give? Cash or Passmo? Click on Passmo.
A receipt is being issued. Please be sure to take the receipt. Thank you for using.
Okay. How much time? So you have to keep this receipt maybe.
Not only that, IC card as well.
Don't forget to keep the IC card and use check-in. So without IC card, they will not let you take the luggage. So when you come here, you guys can see whichever is open. Everything is just open, nothing is closed. Whichever is red light is on, that is locked. So other side you can open it and check it. I mean, whichever bag convenient. Because for us we thought we have to take this big one, but our bag got fit in medium one, which is 600 yen, which will save us time, which will save us cost if we are coming a little bit late also. So check that and do accordingly. Let's go to Tobu Skytree line now. It's just 345 meters from here. We have to walk. After the airport, just now we came out onto the road. Let me show you guys how much beautiful it is. It is just a road, but it's as it is as how they are shown on the reels. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, it's cool. It's, I think, maybe like 20 to 22. Right now we are walking to 15 degrees. And Tobu, sorry, in the Nikko it will be more cooler. So make sure if you are planning Nikko, carry some jackets. We have bought sweatshirts and jacket as well. Tokyo Skytree. Right now we are walking to Tobu Asakusa Station. Come. So we came to the Tobu Asakusa Station. Down you can find at what time and what is the track your train is coming to. So check according to time. Like our track will come on 4th. I mean track number 4. So which is this one? Tobu Skytree line only gate. Once you enter Tobu Nikko, there will be a special information center called Tobu. So you have to find that kind of a box where you have to go there and show your ticket and they will let you pass. So this is track 5, this is track 4 which is going for Tobu Nikko. So you have to just come there and find it. It's nothing difficult, it's very easy. Like once come down, check your time and find your track and come up, show your ticket and enter. That's the only thing you have to do. So first thing you need to do is you need to find which car your seats are in. So our seats are in car number 2. So there will be numbering here. So let me show you guys. There will be numbering here. So you have to find which car number. So ours is 2, and you have to make sure that this is your Revati Kegon. Yeah, Revati Kegon, Tobu to Tobu Nikko. So you have to find it and then you have to enter. 8C and 8D. This is how it is inside. So ours is 8C and D. So this is 6, 7, 8C and D. This is how it is inside. It is so silent. So we finally reached Tobu Nikko. Just to give the context, the reaching time is 8:54. Dot 8:54 we are here. It's insane. So here is our train. We have already booked a hotel here, so we will just keep the luggage there. And then our first destination is go to Chuzenji Lake. So let's go. So guys, finally we came to Nikko. Let me show you guys how it is outside. Completely surrounded by the mountains. So now we have to find our hotel. I think that one, Nikko Park Lodge. That is exactly opposite our hotel. This one is railway station and that's our hotel. Let's go. I don't know whether they approve or not. We are just trying to keep the luggage there so that we can travel without any luggage. Let's go and try. This is our hotel, just opposite. I don't know whether they'll approve or not. If they approve, it will be really good. This one? This one only. Hello, good morning. Hi, so for today we have booking actually.
Okay, your name?
Sai Kalyan.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, you can fill this one?
Yeah.
The room is not ready for sure, but I will check you in.
No, we want to keep the luggage
What
actually.
time you are coming back?
I will come back. Now we go Chuzenji Lake.
Yeah. So I will let you know. Maybe you will be late after because 6 o'clock we may close here. So. Yeah.
Oh, okay. 6 o'clock is closing time.
Yeah, you fill this one. So. Okay.
Okay.
And if you come after 6,
Okay.
this will be in your bed here. Okay.
Oh,
I'll show
okay.
you now.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, you come. I'll show you how to get inside.
Okay. There, let us keep the bag. So the hotel closes at 6 p.m. So you have to.
It will be busy, maybe because of traffic. You may
Okay.
be late.
Late, yeah. So it might close by 6 p.m. So he was showing like how to get in if you are coming after 6
The door
p.m.
is locked.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the code. I like this. You can keep it.
Okay.
7258. If you
Okay.
put this code, here is the key,
Okay.
and you can use the key for both locks.
Okay.
And you open. You put out your shoes.
Okay.
Use the slipper. Go inside from the right curtain, right
Okay.
side. Your bed number is 17 and 18.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Thank you.
Check out the stuff.
Yeah. So they have let us keep the bags and they have shown how to enter the hotel so that even if we come late, because after 6 p.m. no one will be there in the reception. So they have shown us how to get inside. So we are free.